Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub for projects. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically GitHub is only a remote repository. That means we can consider it as a cloud or as a space where you can conserve your repositories, your projects, and your work. And basically, to do so, you will be needing just to go to your GitHub, you go to repositories, you can access repositories either from here or you can click on your profile picture, you go to repositories, etc. Then you will be needing to create a new repository for your new project. Let's suppose we want a Hello World project. And basically, I'm just going to click on this one and let's not add the README file for now. And I'm just going to click create a repository. Now there is two ways of having using GitHub. Either you already have a local repository and you want to push to GitHub, or you create a repository from GitHub and then start linking it to GitHub, to the local repository. And basically, I'm just going to create a new file or open new working space or whatever. And let's just close this current project. I'm just going to close folder and I'm going to source control. And in my case, I'm using the VS Code IDE. I will just clone from GitHub and it will check for my projects. And basically, I will just choose the hello world. Let's just use it in the desktop select. And now it is conserving my projects. And now GitHub is linked to my IDE and it is linked to my working space. So basically I can start creating projects or hello.py. For example, I'm just going to add a Python file and let's just use a print whatever hello, and then I'm just going to save, and now I'm just going to source control and I'm just going to commit and sync. I will commit and push, and basically it will start pushing. I will add first commit, and you will need to add a message for your uh, commit, and now it is committing and pushing. And if we go again to our repository, and if you remember it was empty, and now we will find that it will have the our file. And as you can see, we already found the hello py, and this is how you can conserve your project. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.